Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you can see, Battlbox, the basic version, is back in the shop. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you what came in the basic level. Okay guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you really cool people who've been watching for a while and haven't done it, or maybe even you first time viewers out there, right down here guys, there is going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, just now subscribe, get it out the way early, and you will feel so much better about yourself today. Now, for those guys who are unfamiliar with Battlbox, it has 4 levels as a monthly subscription service. The Basic, the Advanced, the Pro Plus. Now, as we always do, here is the shipping list for this month. Okay? We are only going to be looking at the basic level today. Now, before we go any, too much further into this, it appears Battlbox is going to be making a radical change to the basic and the advanced level. Proof is going to be in the pudding, guys. I'll tell you honestly, all right? In essence, if you don't want to read this little thing, they're going to raise the rates on the basic and the advanced box in order to give you better items. Now, I get it. I've been hammering them for a while about the basic box because it seems like they just put crap items in there as some kind of filler or fluff that really have no overall use to the damn box. So if you're going to give me better gear for my money, okay, I'm going to give you a chance, I'm going to give you a try, and see what happens. Now, as you may not have seen, the theme for this month is called Gearbox, or the sit rep is right tools for the job. Now, the basic box, you're going to pay basically $25, and it has supposedly a $47.50 value. Alright, first item up is Panther Vision button lamps, a 6-pack, with a value of $8.57. Okay, that's these little guys right here. Press the test, huh? Whoa. Damn. Okay. Sorry if anyone I may have blinded there. Wow, I'm got some spots. But okay. There is the info off the back. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Nice little 13 lumen right in my face and not even expecting it. Boy, I'm an idiot. Jesus. And if I'm reading this right, because it says it contains non-replaceable batteries, you basically have 17 hours on each one of these. So that's not too bad for $9. 6 lights, $9, 17 hours. That's not bad. I can't argue with that price at all. Now this one, the next item up, is the Operator Survival Tool with a value of basically $25. I saw this, oh dear God, I can't remember the friggin' box, but I saw this in another monthly subscription box, like a tack pack, I think. Alright, and I'll admit, I was kind of curious in it. Okay, interesting. This is what I was talking about. The little carbon scraper. This is D2 scraper. So that's made out of D2 steel. Okay. So let's get this guy open and take a look at it. Because I have been wanting to see one of these for a while, but I could never really justify buying myself one. Alright. Now, I have seen this thing a lot on items that are coming out for like your AR-15 platforms, or if you're in the military, your M4, a little gun cleaning tool. So, okay. Anything else on here? Nope, but, okay. Now, if I'm reading this right, yeah, of course, screws back on, but, okay, whatever. Little hole right there, you have a little, I'm sure that probably screw, okay, little ceramic sharpening. And you have a Ferris rod that comes in there. And from my understanding, yeah, There's a little scraper, scrape the stuff off, and just go right at it. So, not bad. I mean, like I said, I just never really bought one for myself. Been interested in one, so that's kind of cool that I got one finally. Alright, now this is the one item that when I saw Curtin's video, I just went, what the fuck, guys? This is BattleTech gear straps, a 3-pack for $5. So like I said, it's got the hook and loop system. I love it. Designed for organizing paracord. That's where I've seen these on a lot. Alright? Things like survival cord or Titan cord. I always get one whenever I order a 100-foot hank. So, okay. Really? Made in China. Nice. Alright. I don't know. I just wouldn't associate this with a Battlbox. That's just me. But I guess it fits with the theme. Right tool for the right job. Organizing cords. Okay. And the last item is Quick Seal Wound Spray for $9. In essence, it just seems to be, there you go, basically small powder that you spray on over a wound. There we go, your little instructions. And it just helps seal the wound up. Alrighty, guys. Oh, hey, before I even forget, here we go. Looks like, oh, nice. It looks like the Panther Vision guys are a proud supporter of Team Rubicon. These guys are freaking awesome. Seriously, God bless it, awesome. Bunch of vets to go out and help with disaster relief, rebuilding houses, rebuilding communities. Awesome. There is your code for, looks like anything off site-wide. Cool. All right. Now, normally you'd see me do like a little product breakdown, but somehow I just already organized it this way. I gotta tell you, for the niftiness factor of spending the money, I got the Operator Survival Tool. All right. I'm not overly impressed with it now that I have it in my hands. It's a neat little gadget that you can put in a kit and forget about until you need it. The little Panther lights, I think, are going to be fun for my kids. They're going to blind each other in the middle of the night for like a day and a half, and that'll get the use out of it. I do a lot of stuff with paracord, so those are going to come in handy, and that's just going to go in a freaking med bag. But, I want to know what you think, all right? Leave me your questions, comments, love, hatred. You guys know the drill by now. Leave it all down below. You know I will get back with you. If this is your first time, viewing this channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day just to view this video. I know the basic boxes are not sexy. I know nobody does them, but I've chosen to go with this level because I've had some bad experiences with Battlebox before in the past. And I just want to keep as an active subscriber, so if a box is a home run, I can order it at a reduced rate. Now, for you longtime viewers of the channel, if you have not yet subscribed, here is your second chance at redemption. Right down there. Oh, I almost screwed up. Down there. It's going to be a big old channel logo. It's going to pop up like right here, right here, right here. Man, guys, go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've beat up that subscribe button, go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Good question. Because that's going to notify you every single time that my channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my channel that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. Battlebox, Mission 46, the Gearbox. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.